How to change the image for a Squarespace link. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So if you don't know what I'm talking about here, it's pretty much the image that you see when you send out a link to your Squarespace website. And you know, when you send the link to someone on WhatsApp, for example, that you will get a sample, not a sample, it's just a preview image. This is the image that we want to change. Now you can feel free to change it to whatever you want, and we can do it for each and every single individual page as well. So let's just go and get to it. First, open up your Squarespace website, and then here you will find yourself in the editor and whatnot. What you need to do is just go to pages here. So click on pages. And then from pages, obviously, you're going to have all of these different pages that you have. Go ahead and open up your home page, which is the most important one, but you can feel free to do the same thing for the rest of these pages as well later on. But for the time being, just go ahead and open up your home page, go to the settings or the gear icon right next to it, click on it, and this menu should open up. Now here, there's plenty of things that you can feel free to change, but most importantly is going to be this section here, which should say social image. Just go and click on social image. And once you see this, this is going to be social preview right now. So there's no image. This is actually going to show this. Basically, when you send out your link, this is what people are going to see right on top of it on certain websites like WhatsApp. But we want to change that so it is an image instead. So in here, we obviously would want to click on add image over here. So alternate social sharing image. Click on add image and upload an image that is going to be suitable for that. So I'm just going to use this little red image that I have. Give it a second, and now this is the image that is going to show up on top of the link once I send it instead, because it didn't really have anything. Usually, because I don't really have a proper image for it, but usually it's going to be your logo or the site's logo. Something along the lines, and you can just click on save on the top left and you're good to go. Now whenever you send out the link to other people, so we just go here, preview, go ahead and copy this link and send it on WhatsApp, they will see this red image that I added on top of it. Now obviously, like I said, this is only going to be for the home page. If you want to send out other different ones, for example, for the menu page, go to settings. Again, same thing, go to social image. It's not going to be the same image. You will need to add another one from here, add image, upload. And yeah, this is going to be the new one for this specific page. So you may want to go ahead and add a social sharing image on each and every single page if you want to. It's completely up to you. But yeah, this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.